What's good? It's your boy AP back with another one. I know y'all ain't seen me in a minute, but look, check it out, man. I want to show y'all these three different guns, and I'm gonna tell y'all which one I prefer. You did. So we got the Taurus G2S, you did. Then we got that Springfield XD, you did. And then you know we got that Glock, you did. So look. I like this. This one of my conceals, This motherfucker nice. It's a motherfucking 13 rounder, you did. So I stay with one man and it's extra, man. It's nice, man. You did. They get the job done, and they got the back safety. I love it. But, man, listen. This Taurus right here, man. I've been through a lot with this, man. I ain't gonna hold you, man. It's on safety because this what I carry every day, with the beam on it, They empty, by the way. Check all my guns prior for your little gun nerds. But yeah. And to stay with 2 rounds of these, you did. And then this my baby, this new, this was something I built. I shot it one time. It's wonderful, man. You know what I'm saying? It's wonderful, y'all. You know what I'm saying? This motherfucker is beautiful. Just that back up my off me any day of the week. We got a 21 round right now. And then that Zuki Baka, that's that 31 round, But yeah, man, like I said, I stay with 2 round magazines, Cause you never know what you're gonna get into. Business don't play fair, so I ain't playing fair. But yeah, I don't know which one I wanna put this flashlight on, Put it on that Batman, Or that Long John, But yeah, cause I already got the beam on this one. This motherfucker's up nice. Don't ask me why it's only 6. They carry 7. But yeah, man. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm out.